Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate sound in the Waze app. If you're not hearing voice directions or alerts while driving, just follow this simple step to turn the sound back on. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the speaker icon. If the speaker shows muted or alerts only, tap it until it's set to sound on. This enables voice guidance and navigation instructions. Next, tap the My Ways or menu icon. Then go to Settings and select Voice and Sound. Make sure sounds or voice directions are turned on, and choose a navigation voice if one is not already selected. After that, increase your phone's media volume using the volume buttons while Waze is open. Sometimes the app volume is low even though your ringtone volume is turned up. If you're connected to your car through Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay, make sure your car's audio system is set to the correct source and the volume is turned up. Finally, restart the Waze app. If you still don't hear any sound, you can also update the app to the latest version to fix any audio-related bugs. And that's it. That's how you can activate sound in the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.